Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, we are going to talk about something very precious, your inner power. Have you ever done something you thought was impossible? Maybe it was very hard. Maybe you wanted to stop, but somehow you kept going, and you did it. Where did you find the strength to do that? That power came from inside you. It was there all along. Today, let us discover it together. 1. The power of your mind. Your brain is the most amazing thing you have. It can do things that even big computers struggle with. Your brain can imagine things that do not exist yet. It can solve problems. It can learn something new every day. Your mind never stops being able to learn. If you keep using it, your brain stays powerful your whole life. Your imagination is another superpower of your mind. Everything humans have ever invented started in someone's imagination first. Your imagination has no limits. You can think of anything. You can imagine flying to other planets. You can imagine creating a whole new world. Those imaginary things might become real someday if you work hard enough. Your mind also never stops growing. Think about a small seed. You put it in the ground, you give it water. It grows into a big tree. Your mind is exactly like that seed. The more it grows, the more powerful it becomes. Read something new every day. Learn something every day. This feeds your mind and makes it grow stronger. Your mind grows when you give it new ideas. It is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. 2. The power of your heart. Now let us talk about a different kind of power. This is the power in your heart. Love is one of the most powerful forces in the world. Love makes people do things they never thought possible. A parent lifts something very heavy to save their child. A person walks a very long distance to reach someone they love. Love gives us strength we did not know we had. Love does not run out. The more love you give, the more you seem to have. You actually feel more of it. Kindness is also a power. When you smile at someone who is having a bad day, something changes. Your kindness travels into their heart. Suddenly, they feel a little stronger, a little better, a little less alone. And kindness makes you feel good too. When you are kind, you want to be even kinder. Your heart is full of this power. Use it every day. 3. The power of your will. Have you ever really wanted to do something? Did you work hard until you did it? Where did that strength come from? That came from willpower. Willpower is your inner engine. It keeps you going when things get tough. It helps you do things even when you do not feel like it. It helps you keep running in a race when you are out of breath. It helps you keep studying when you are tired. Every time you push through something difficult, your willpower gets stronger. It is like a muscle. The more you use it, the bigger it grows. But willpower is also like a battery. It needs to be recharged. If you use too much willpower all day, you will feel tired. That is why rest is important. Play is important. Doing things you enjoy is important. These things recharge your inner battery. Your will is also your power to choose. This may be the most important power of all. Every morning when you wake up, you make choices. Will you try your best today? Will you be kind? Will you keep going when things are hard? Will you believe in yourself? These seem like small choices, but small choices build a big life. You cannot control everything that happens to you, but you can always control how you respond. Nobody can take that from you. It is always yours. Set small goals every day. Achieve them one by one. Start with easy challenges, then move to bigger ones. Each small win makes your willpower stronger, and stronger willpower helps you do bigger things. 4. The power of your spirit. This kind of power is the hardest to explain, but it may be the most important of all. Your spirit is the deepest part of who you are. It is your personality. It is your values. It is what you believe in. It is what matters most to you. Every person has a spirit that is unique. Nobody else in the world has your exact spirit. Your spirit gives you the power to choose what kind of person you want to be. Will you be kind or mean? Will you work hard or give up? Will you help others or only think of yourself? These choices shape who you become. Nobody else controls your spirit. It is yours. Your spirit also helps you grow through hard times. When something bad happens, your spirit can find a lesson in it. It can help you become stronger. It is like a tree in a storm. The storm is scary and hard, but after the storm, the tree has deeper roots. It is stronger than before. The hard things in your life can do the same for your spirit. They can make you wiser. They can make you stronger, if you let them. Spend quiet time with yourself. Think about what matters to you. What makes you happy? What do you care about? What kind of person do you want to be? Knowing yourself makes your spirit stronger. Talk to yourself with kindness. Do not say mean things to yourself. You deserve kindness too. Believe in your power. When you believe you have power inside you, you start to use it. And the more you use it, the more it grows. 5. Conclusion. So, what is the source of infinite power within you? It is the power of your mind. It is the power of your heart. It is the power of your will. It is the power of your spirit. These powers live inside you right now. They have been there since the day you were born. They will be there your whole life. They do not run out. They do not get old. They do not disappear. All you have to do is believe in them and use them. You are more powerful than you can imagine. You have everything you need already inside you. You do not need to look for it somewhere else. It is already there. The greatest power in the world is already inside you. Now go out into the world with confidence. Thank you so much for listening this. If these words touched your heart, subscribe and come back for more.